Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. Okay, let's go to the video. Now I'm in my YouTube channel. Here you can see, click on manage videos. Then you can see on the left playlist. Click on here. Here you can see I have already created two playlists. Then you can see here on the right side new playlist. Click on here. Then you need to enter playlist name. Here I enter social media. You can enter whatever you want. Here you can put a playlist visibility, public, private or unlisted. Here I put as public. Then create. Now we can add videos to this playlist. Then put the cursor here. Then you can see here pencil icon, editing audio. Click on this. Now here you can enter playlist description here, and then you can see three dots. Click on three dots. Here you can add videos and collaborate with someone, any other YouTube channel, and play the settings here. Then also you can delete this playlist. Here I'm going to add videos. Click on add videos. Here you can search any topic, any search term. Then you can enter any video within those search result, or you can directly enter the video, the YouTube video URL, or you can choose your YouTube channel videos. These are my videos. Now I'm going to put all videos related to social media on my YouTube channel. Here, then Instagram. Yes, I have three videos related to social media. Then add videos. Yes, I have added three videos, and also you can revise the order, video order. You can see here hand icon. Then you can simply drag to up or down. Then it will replace. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe for more videos.